How to fight diabetes fatigue with homeopathy. Best 5 remedies. Diabetes fatigue is a common symptom that can impact day-to-day life, leaving you feeling constantly drained. Homeopathy offers natural remedies that can help alleviate fatigue by targeting underlying causes like blood sugar imbalances, poor circulation, and emotional stress. Here are the top 5 homeopathic medicines for combating diabetes-related fatigue. 1. Phosphoric acid. For mental and physical exhaustion. Phosphoric acid is one of the most commonly used remedies for diabetes fatigue. It is particularly effective when fatigue feels overwhelming and is accompanied by feelings of apathy, mental dullness, or forgetfulness. This remedy targets both mental and physical exhaustion, helping to restore vitality. When to use. For fatigue with mental fog, memory issues, or emotional burnout. Dosage. 30 potency, taken twice daily, or as recommended by a homeopathic practitioner. 2. Sulphur. For fatigue with weakness and burning sensation. Sulphur is highly effective for individuals with diabetes who experience chronic fatigue, particularly if accompanied by a weak feeling and burning sensations in the feet. This remedy helps restore energy levels and improve circulation, especially in cases where individuals feel sluggish and tired. When to use. For fatigue with weakness, burning sensations, and poor circulation. Dosage. 30 once or twice daily depending on severity. 3. Lycopodium. For digestive-related fatigue. Lycopodium is often recommended for fatigue linked to poor digestion, which is common in people with diabetes. This remedy helps if fatigue is coupled with bloating, gas, or indigestion. It works to improve energy by addressing digestive issues that may be draining overall vitality. When to use. For fatigue after meals, digestive issues, and low stamina. Dosage. 30 up to twice daily, or as directed by a homeopath. For Natrum Muriaticum. For emotional exhaustion and fatigue. Natrum Muriaticum is excellent for individuals experiencing fatigue as a result of emotional stress or grief, which can be common in people managing chronic conditions like diabetes. It helps relieve fatigue, boosts energy, and supports emotional well-being, making it especially beneficial for those who feel emotionally drained. When to use. For fatigue from emotional stress, sadness, or feeling emotionally heavy. Dosage. 6x or 30 as needed. 5. Nux Vomica. For fatigue due to overwork and lifestyle imbalances. Nux Vomica is a powerful remedy for those with diabetes fatigue caused by lifestyle factors such as stress, overwork, or irregular routines. This remedy is effective for individuals who experience fatigue alongside irritability, headaches, or digestive issues from irregular meals or a lack of sleep. When to use. For fatigue due to stress, overwork, and irregular lifestyle. Dosage. 30 potency, up to twice daily as needed. Conclusion. These homeopathic remedies can be effective in combating diabetes fatigue by addressing the unique symptoms and lifestyle factors that may contribute to low energy. For optimal results, consult a qualified homeopathic practitioner to determine the right remedy and dosage based on your specific symptoms and needs.